Error E-08. I have no idea. We'll check it out. Okay, error E-08 is lack of fuel according to the manual. So it says try a few times, but I'm just beginning to wonder if the fuel tank may be a bit of an issue. It says make sure your filter's full. Well, there is fuel in the filter. It was a bit low before. So what I'm gonna do is fire it back up and then put it onto full power. And really give it some stick, give it the beans. So we'll let that crack on and then I'll get back to you in a sec. I checked outside after she failed and the exhaust was puffing with smoking a bit. I'll just when it fires up it'll probably be smoking. But it's got a bit of, I can smell the diesel inside now because I had the door open. Okay, so according to this, the heater plug is now lighting, so we should start hearing the pump. You'll see the pump. That wasn't this, that was a car going past. I thought it was this for a second. Okay, hang fire. Now we've got a bit of smoke. You can hear it. That's because it's shut down, not burnt all the gas. I'm going to really give it get it hot. I should clear it a bit. You can hear it. Let's look at the filter. Come on, focus. It's alright. There's fuel in there. It's kicking in now. Should clear it out. Smoky Joe. Sounds like a jet engine going up the ship. Hopefully it should clear a bit. I'll come back in a sec. Nearly, look, I think. Yeah. So I took the temperature up to 35. Okay. Alright, let's wait and see. Well, the heater plug's turned itself off, as you can see, just in that corner there. Smoke's cleared completely. I'm going to let it run for a bit. Also, I think what's happening, we're getting a bit of blowback from it's a really windy day. Oh, that's weird, she's hunting. You hear that? Nobody knows why she's doing that. Is that I don't think it's normal. Sort of, you know, it's like. Please leave me a message down below. That would be great. Whether I got something a bit too tight or the bends are too tight. dropped the temperature down now back to 8, and it's stopped doing the hunting at the moment. So I'm thinking whether to change, not change the exhaust, but the location, make it a bit longer. Let's see what happens now. So I mean, if it was going to cut out from lack of fuel, it should have done it then, and the E-08 error, but we'll see. Okay, that's shut down for, well, not shut down, let it go down, we'll see what happens.